Hi, new dad, Eric here. Today in this video, I want to show you how to stage an area for a diaper change. So for your newborn, how to stage an area. Come on over, let's take a look. First thing is a changing table. This is a portable changing table. The reason why this is so great is because this saves your back. Our first child, we didn't have at this height, and so we had to bend over a lot, and it was killing our back. So this is great. You can get this on Amazon, portable changing table. That's the first thing. Second thing is, this, as you'll notice, this is a pee pad for our dog. We put this in here. That also helps with any leakages that occur. So what we have here, first off, is you have the wipes ready to go, already on the table. We have the diaper set out here, and then the pee guard. You'll see a lot of different things for pee guards. You know, you can cover it up with a wipe. We actually like to cut off half of a diaper and use that as the pee guard. So we have that. And then also, most importantly, is have your butt creams ready, your Desitin, your triple paste. We put that on the wand so it's ready to go. And then we have it so we've got the table nice and set. In the next video, we're actually gonna do a diaper change. And remember, new dad, you got this.